What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. And today we're going to talk about the global markets of crypto as a whole, kind of give you guys an insight to what is going on in the markets. And then we're going to take into dive into some of the bigger cryptos that have been under scrutiny and on my watch as they continue to descend further into the red. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop your comments down below. I want to know what you guys think about these coins as it relates to the future as we get into 2023. And with that being said, let's get down into it. So if you look quickly at the crypto bubbles on the day, you can see BNB down 7%, Bitcoin is down almost 3%, Ethereum almost 6% down on the day. So we are seeing a pretty much a 3 to 7% into the red when we talk about every single crypto for the most part. All right, there's a few that are green on the day. However, very few and far between as it relates to the total trend we are seeing across the board. Okay, so a lot of these cryptos basically have some internal issues as it relates to just being, like, for example, Binance, in the rumor mill. All right, they're getting sucked under the rug as it relates to FTX and that scandal, as well as their own accusations that are being brought against them. All right, so it's going to be a lot of fear and uncertainty when we talk about what is going on with crypto. All right, and now a lot of these tokens have nothing fundamentally wrong with them, and that is just where we are at, or where we are at right now. Okay, so they are just following suit and kind of following the narrative that unfortunately is out of their control. All right, investors are looking at bullet points as it relates to crypto and whether they believe in a crypto or a project. This is just the way that everything will trend until we get more certainty within the markets. All right, so now let's get into the article as we talk about a couple of the big ones on the day. When we talk about the market that is down across the board and these major coins are trading into the red. Solana, Terra Classic, Polygon are down, and these are going to be the cryptos we're going to focus on in this article. All right, so Solana is down 2.23% in the last 24, Terra almost 1%, and Polygon is down 1.42% in the last 24. All right. So the global market cap is down 1.3% from the last day overall, and the total market volume is down 33.56 billion US dollars, a decrease of 26.68%. All right, so this is generally going to be seeing a fall as we relate to, there is just no trading going on. There's a lot of liquidation going across the board, and you can see this dramatic drop off in volume with Solana. All right, so Luna Classic is also seeing a very similar thing, although the volume is down only 10.5%. In Luna Classic, despite their best efforts to kind of have a collaboration run, if you will, due to the fact of their reboot and everything that lied within the the depegging and all of that, kind of their rebranding and rebuilding of Lunc is basically sitting at 301625 despite their best efforts. All right, now Polygon is the one that I really want to talk about a little bit and give you guys my thoughts, because currently every token is at 88 cents. Now that's interesting to note because Polygon is just kind of hanging in there. All right, Polygon's another one that I believe in the project and the long-term scalability of that project. And as it relates to Polygon, they've kind of withstained all the punches. All right, due to their last when they had all that momentum back in November, right, and got up almost as high as $1.30 on the charts. Despite their best efforts of these macro factors and all of these external factors weighing the broader crypto market down, Polygon is back at that 88 cents level. All right, now that is basically where it took off from when it was catapulted into that $1.27, $1.28 range. That started when Polygon was about 91 cents. And so that is just important to note, because Polygon is something that I have in my bag that I am not going to be liquidating, but I am going to be very conservative with all of my assets digitally when it relates to this uncertainty we have in the markets. All right, now there's going to be some things you hear about Bitcoin and projections and thresholds where we look at basically support levels where Bitcoin cannot go below, and that is all true. But you have to really zoom out and look back into 2017 if you're looking to gain that insight to where crypto is headed, because we have just given back all of the bull run basically and gained adoption. And that is what is most important to note, because if we do get certainty in the markets and we do see this uptick into more positive sentiment, right? Just having more positive vibes surrounding crypto, a bull run is not out of the question. However, I do feel, in my personal own opinion, that we are going to be trading sideways or considerably up or down in a sideways fashion for basically, 6 months to a year is kind of how I'm looking at it, and everything that I've read and gained from my knowledge and my investigation within crypto. That is what I've taken and formulated my own opinion. So that's what I see is basically 6 to 12 months of sideways uncertainty, where basically all of the capitalization that we have given back will be just on the sidelines from an institutional and a retail standpoint. All right, so that is where I'm at. And I just do see more blood in the water when we talk about crypto. All right, so these 3 cryptos we cover on regularly on our channel. However, for the time being, there is more blood to come, and we are going to continue this bearish trend despite entering a new fiscal year in 2023 and the more stabilization as we get more of the economic reports as it relates to inflation and the jobs with the unemployment rates and so on and so forth. So we just need more certainty in the market. So you got to stay vigilant, stay tough out there, and keep your eyes peeled for more news and updates to come. But I thank you guys for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already, and we will see you in the next video.